Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm really excited. I got two great guys. They have the same name. It's a senior and a junior. It's Mariam Hubbard, senior and junior, and this gentleman has been put in prison. And and we had a conversation when we first met. We talked about the importance of changing diet, and of course that diet was a low carb diet. And I guess I'll start with Junior. What was it like for you? How hard was it to get your dad to make some changes?
It was very difficult.
Yeah.
Still difficult times today,
Yeah.
Just had to try to find a way to make him, well, not make him, but find something that he likes and try to incorporate it into the diet, as well as making sure it's healthy and it's not too too sugary or too
That's right.
too starchy, things
That's
like
right.
that.
That's right.
Because that basically is what's raising up all the problems we have today.
That's right. Now, Mr. Hubbard, yourself, I know it was hard for you, but how hard has it been for you?
At first it was hard, then they kept getting on me, and I just followed their direction.
That's right. They got on you.
Right.
And
Right.
I wonder why they got on you. You know why I think they got on you?
Because they love me.
Amen. They love, and I think a lot of people checking this out will have people in their lives that they love, and it's hard because this is a grown man who changed this guy's diaper, right? So how is it he gonna listen to this guy? But the reality is, when we get new information, we make change. So when they came in, I said, if we can just get the starch and sugar down, it can make a big difference. And since that happened, you had diabetes for how long?
A long time.
Long time.
A long time.
And we were able to look at the labs today, and the last two diabetes A1C tests were in the normal range. So this is what's possible, guys, if we simply understand what the problem is. Type 2 diabetes is a dietary disease, and even with people with type 1, they can get their A1C into the normal range. And you just need a family to support you through your journey. I just want to say that this guy is going to continue to heal. It's going to take time to get to where you want to be, but it starts with what you put in your mouth. And if you do that and help your family to do that, you can make miracles happen. So I really appreciate you guys just even taking the time to watch this video, because I'm hoping that somebody watching will be inspired. And if you've had stories of success, share in the video comments what your story has been, because it's going to be these stories that's going to get us through these storms. So thank you guys for taking a moment to do this. I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Thank you.